Hello, I'm Jacob Owens, and we were supposed to pick a website to help students learn a certain material, different types of technology to help them learn. But first off, the SWL that I picked was SWL 4.4. The student will investigate and understand basic plant anatomy and life processes. The key concepts include the structures of plants, process and structure involved with plant, photosynthesis, and adaptations allow plants to satisfy life needs and respond to the environment. But for this certain lesson, we're going to focus on photosynthesis. But it's grade level 4, it's science, and like I said, the topic will be photosynthesis. But the website that I chose was Study Jams. I chose Study Jams because it'd be free to my students, it'd be easy access for them. They can play along, they can learn a song on it, and like right here, this is the website. You can play a video to help them learn the material, and then you can sing the song that the video plays, and that will help you learn. And then at the end of it, you can test yourself, and it just take these little 7-question tests to help you prepare for the test that I will most likely give during class. I found this very beneficial because really I could copy some of the questions from the test. I think that'd be very beneficial for my students. So they're still learning the same things. And this is the sing the karaoke part. You can sing along, which is very interesting. I thought that'd be pretty cool, and it's very helpful for them. Like it doesn't go on until you sing it. So that's very interesting. And then here's a quick little video that you can watch that the students can watch, to if they're struggling learning the concepts, it'd be good for them to learn.
You sit down, look at the menu, and someone brings you exactly what you want.
As you can tell, the videos are very good. They're very animated, which is good for kids in 4th grade. They're looking for animation. You don't want something boring. And I found these videos not to be boring at all. To be very beneficial, very helpful. They give very good details. Yeah, you can tell her talking about it. That'd be very beneficial for a 4th grader. And then also it has key vocabulary that we can go over. And also I can get these words from the book and say, these words will be on the test. You need to know these certain words. So they can click on them. And it tells you what they mean, which is very, very helpful. But the best part I thought about Study Jams is that it was free. None of my students have to pay. It'd just be very easy, short, and quick, and very interactive, and very fun, and a good way for them to learn about photosynthesis. I hope you enjoyed.